Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen T-Cross 1.0TSI 110BHP automatic life in sleek black exterior colour. With 81849 kilometres on the clock, this 1 litre engine powerhouse is packed with features for your comfort, safety and style. Cruise in luxury with air conditioning, Bluetooth phone and power steering. Stay protected with ABS, lane departure warning and multiple airbags. Plus, enjoy the convenience of automatic hazard lights, collision warning and parking assistance. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.